Galaxy M31s is officially Samsung's first budget phone with 25 watt of charging. After numerous rumors, leaks and couple of earlier listings on Amazon and the Google Play console, Samsung has finally made Galaxy M31s officially in all its glory. You might think that using this noun to describe the Galaxy M31s is a stretch, but this is new low to mid-range phone unveiled by Samsung is quite special, especially for its class. The Galaxy M31s breaks convention in more than one way. It's the company's first low to mid-range smartphone and the first device the Galaxy M series to boost 25 watt of fast charging. Likewise, it's Samsung's first Galaxy M smartphone to feature a Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a centered cutout for the selfie camera. And if that's not enough, the Galaxy M31s also adopts a couple of camera modules that are normally reserved for pricey phones, namely the single take and night hyperlapse. The official announcement confirmed that the Galaxy M31s is equipped with 6.5-inch of Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass 3. It also confirms that the phone is powered by Exynos 9611 chipset paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage. The phone carries a quad camera combo on the back panel, including the relatively new 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, a 12-megapixel 123-degree ultra-wide shooter, a 5-megapixel depth camera for live focus, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The front-facing selfie shooter has a resolution of 32 megapixel, and both the front and the rear-facing solution are capable of 4K video recording. All these components rely on 6000 mAh for battery, and yes, the unit is capable of 25 watt of charging despite the fact that the Galaxy M31s is a budget phone. More so, this hero smartphone ships with a 25 watt of charger in the box, so you won't have to spend extra before you can take advantage of battery full capabilities. According to Samsung, the Galaxy M31s recharges its battery from 0 to 100% in 97 minutes. This is quite a significant improvement over the Galaxy M31 and similar phone equipped with 6000 battery and 15 watt of charging, as they usually require nearly 2.5 hours to fill up their tank. The Galaxy M31s has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and ships with Android 10 with One UI 2.1. The Galaxy M31s makes the Galaxy A51 a horrible deal, as we know that the Galaxy A51 held the crown of the best-selling smartphone worldwide in the first 3 months of 2020, but since the launch of Galaxy M31s, it has made a Galaxy A51 a horrible deal for the customer. The Galaxy A51 is currently available for $337 for 6GB and 128GB configuration, while 8GB and 128GB variant is coming with $360. The Galaxy M31 as set to go on sale on August the 6th is priced at $260 and $286 for the same memory and storage configuration. That's a difference for nearly of $67 between the two phones, and even though the Galaxy M31s is cheap, it offers most of the same spec as the Galaxy A51, which is absolutely destroying it when it comes to the battery capacity and charging speed. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy M31s device? And I'm pretty much sure that the Galaxy M31s is going to destroy the Galaxy A51 in all the aspects. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.